Good morning, sir. Good morning, students. The book which his mother gave him, The Travels of Monarch X. In the end of the book, the readers were invited to help to know about the migration of the butterflies, and in this they were asked to tag the butterflies for the research by Dr. Frederick A. Urquhart of the University of Toronto, which is in Canada. Abride's mother wrote a letter to Urquhart, and soon Abride started to tag the wings of monarch butterflies with light adhesive. Adhesive is used to stick. And he wrote that anyone who found a tagged butterflies tried to send it to Dr. Urquhart. And the best season for the collection of butterflies in reading was the last 6 weeks in the late summer. If one chased butterfly one by one cannot collect many butterflies. So his next step was to raise a flock of butterflies. He would catch a female butterfly. He would take her egg and put it in the basement of his house and see the whole life cycle, like from egg to caterpillar, from caterpillar to pupa, from pupa to adult butterfly. Then he would tag the wings of the butterflies and leave them. For several years, his basement was home of thousands of monarchs in different stages of development. Eventually, his interest was lost in tagging the butterflies. It was boring, and he could not get any result. How many he had tagged the butterflies? Only 2 butterflies were recaptured, and they were not more than 75 miles from where he lived. When he took part in science competition in a county, in a small area which was held in a county, he was lost in that. It was very sad that he was sitting free and did not get anything, but others were getting. And his entry was slides of frog tissues which he showed under a microscope. He realized that the winners had shown a real experiment, but it was his only a display. So competitive spirit was raising in his heart. He knew that next fair he would win. He would do a real experiment and win. So only one topic he knew much about, that was the insect on which he had been working from the last many years. So he wrote to Dr. Urquhart for his suggestion, and in the back he gave many suggestions. And he kept himself busy for the whole year to win the prize in county and international level. When he was in 8th class and his competition was held again, he tried to find the viral disease in which they kill all the monarch caterpillars every few years. Albright thought that the beetle is the carrier of this disease. He tried to raise caterpillars in between the beetles, but he did not get any result. But he came forward and showed that he had tried on this experiment, and this time he won. The next year again, when he was in 9th class, then science project was there. In this, what was that? Viceroy butterflies copy monarchs. Viceroy butterflies copy monarch butterflies. Why? Because Viceroy butterflies look alike with monarch, and monarch does not taste good to birds. On the other hand, that Viceroy do taste good to the birds. That's why they copy monarch, so that they can confuse the birds. And Albright project was to see whether birds would eat monarch or not. So he found one bird. What was the name of that bird? Starling. Who does not eat the food which is eaten by a normally bird. Like normally bird do not eat monarch, but he eats the monarch. This project was placed first in zoology division, and third in county science fair. Just with the starling bird do not eat the food which is eaten by a normally bird. The normally bird what eats? Viceroy. They do not eat monarch. But starling was different from them, so it eats monarch. That was the difference between the starling bird and ordinary bird. Till here, next part we will do on Monday. Thank you.